Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tumbulia Tech Solution. I am your friend and guide Asis Tumbulia. Today I have come up with the topic system testing. As I already told you in my previous videos that there are many type of testing in black box testing. So system testing is one of the type of black box testing. Today I will show you how you can test an application by system testing method. So before going to that part, let me give you a brief introduction about what is system testing. It is an end-to-end testing done by the test engineers in testing server similar to the production server. After hearing this definition, you might be thinking, what is this end-to-end testing? And what is this testing server similar to the production server? So let me tell you about what is end-to-end testing first. So end-to-end testing is nothing but navigating through all the features and check whether end feature or last feature is working as expected or not. It's called as end-to-end testing. When I will show you the practical demonstration about this, I will tell you how you guys can do the end-to-end testing and what is this end-to-end testing. Now, next is testing server similar to the production server. So before that, let me give you the definition about what is server or introduction of server. A server is a computer that provides data to other computer. That means there we can install any application or store some data, but it is not like a normal computer. Its configuration is very high. That means there the hard disk will be more than 100 TB, RAM will be more than like 50 GB or something. So that is what the configuration of the server. So there are many types of server like testing server and development server, web server, and this is one of the type testing server similar to the production server. So what is this meaning of that testing server similar to the production server? Before understanding that, you should understand what is the production server. Production server is the server which the customer install in their place and they install the software in that server and run the business. So whenever they give the requirement to develop any software, then the software development company should test the application that is similar configuration of the production server. Before that, test engineer test the application in testing server only, but in the final testing from the company, software development company side, they do the final testing in testing server similar to the production server because the production server configuration will be different and testing server configuration will be different. But testing server similar to the production server has same configuration as production server. Like if the production server is having 100 TB hard disk, 4 GB RAM or no 40 GB RAM, then testing server similar to the production server will have same configuration like 100 TB hard disk and 40 GB RAM like that, so that if the software or application which company software development company has developed is working in this server, then it will definitely work on the production server. To test that, the company develop and after that they test the final testing in the testing server similar to the production server. So this is all about the briefing. Now let's go to the demonstration. So this is an easiest testing. So I will open the Chrome. Let me enter the URL flipkart.com. So this is the website of Flipkart. So how you guys can do the system testing? There are few tricks. So I have already told you in my previous video, whenever we test an application, we need the requirement, and based on the requirement, we write the scenarios. So to give you the demonstration, I have written some scenario based on the requirement. So I will first read you those scenarios. This is system testing. Okay. So first scenario is open Flipkart, click on search, search MI product, click on MI Note 7 Pro, add to cart, click on cart, remove product from cart, go to home, click on cart and check the product on cart. So you guys may be thinking, what is this? This is simply just clicking one feature and after again come back to the home page, and like that we are doing. And this is only the system testing. Here we just check all the features whether it is working or not. We don't do anything else. We just click one by one each and every feature. So to make one scenario of system testing, we need to combine many functional scenarios. So let me give you a little trick how you can write the system testing scenario. First trick is any application start from login, then navigate through all the features, means three, four, five features you navigate. After that, you just log out. Then it will become one scenario. This is one trick to write the system testing scenario. Second trick is combine minimum 6 to 8 features and make it as end-to-end scenario. Combine 6 to 8 features means like here open the Flipkart, one feature tested, click on search. Okay, after that search mi product, this is one feature. Click on mi note 7 pro, this is one. Add to cart, this is one feature. Click on cart, this is one more feature. Remove product from cart, this is one more feature. Go to home, click on cart and check the product on cart. This is what end-to-end scenario means. We are navigating through all those features and after that we are checking whether last feature, this is the last feature. Click on the cart, click on the cart and check whether last feature is working or not. That is called system testing. So let's go with the practical demonstration. So this is a Flipkart application. So I have opened the application. After that, let me search some product like MI phones. So it is giving the result. Like let me click on Redmi 8. So it is working. Next, click on cart. After that, here is the cart. Let's check whether that product is added into the cart or not. Here, Redmi 8 Pro. Now let me remove. Now check whether product is there or not. As you can see, that product is removed from the cart. Next, go back to home. By clicking on back, you guys can go to the home. Here is the home. We have come to the home. Now click on cart. Again, remove one product. Then again, go back to the home. We have come to the home page. Then click on cart and check whether that product is present or not. See, the product is not here anymore. That means the last feature is we have removed the product from the cart, and when we come back and check, then that is not present. So with this, we can say that last feature is working properly. So this is the system testing. This is how you guys can do the system testing. Let's check few more system testing scenario. Let's start with searching something like keyboards. So let's click in some product. So I have clicked Dell KM17 wireless laptop keyboard. Then click on add to cart. Let's check whether it is present on the cart or not. Here, this is present. Let's go somewhere else, like click on here, click on orders. After that, again go to offer zone, click on sports, then click on music instrument, check the music instruments. After that, click on more, click on notification prefers, and again click on my profile, click on man, click on t-shirts. So click on some t-shirt here. After that, add to cart. Before doing that, let's make it medium, add to cart, and check that product is present in the cart or not. So with this navigating through all the features, after that the last feature that I am checking, that the product I have added into the cart is present into the cart or not. Here, this is the t-shirt I have selected and I have added to the cart. So now it is present. So this is the last feature that is working properly. So with this, I can say that the system testing is passed. So this is how you guys can do the system testing. I hope you guys understand what is the system testing and how you guys can do the system testing. And I know this is a very easier than the other two testing because you don't have to do much. You just navigate through all the features and check whether last feature is working or not. You will get one scenario, and like this you can test the application. So this is the demonstration of system testing. So I hope you like this video, guys. If you like this video, then hit the like button, comment, and subscribe this channel. I will see you in next video. Till then, goodbye.